In nature, we see many examples of multi-agent systems. In our work, we have looked into identifying areas, environments that act as attractors and repellers to agents. We consider environments that are dynamically changing and make all our inferences about the environment based on only observing agent trajectories. So what does it mean to be a time-varying attractor or repeller? Well, at 9 AM in the morning, this university library acts as an attractor. As an example, you can see me walking towards the library with enthusiasm and excitement for the day ahead. However, exhausted after a long day in the library, at 9 PM the library has become a repeller and you see me leaving. From my movements alone, it is possible to infer that the library is a significant influencing feature of my environment with time-varying properties. Of course, in our work we are interested in more than just one agent. Our interest lies in inferring significant causal features from animal movements. As an example, when feeding the ducks, our GP-LAPLACE model would identify this piece of bread I threw into the river as an attractor. The behaviour of the ducks enables our probabilistic model to infer a vector field in the bird's surroundings, just as I am drawing here. The GP-LAPLACE model uses Gaussian processes to infer canonical vector calculus operations over multi-agent systems. We look at the divergence of the vector field to infer the flow of how agents move. This divergence of the vector field, also known as the Laplacian, tells us the location of positive sources, seen in red, and negative sinks, seen in blue. To infer these sources and sinks, we use the derivative properties of Gaussian processes. As a 1D illustrative example, here we show a Gaussian process model fitted to 20 slightly noisy training points drawn from the function x sine x. It is relatively easy to infer both the first and second derivatives of these functions, which nicely compare to the true derivatives. These are superimposed over the inferred functions. The overall result is a technique that is able to infer sources and sinks in a multi-agent system. For more details of GP-LAPLACE, please read our paper, and code is also available at the link provided. Thanks very much.